Hey, it's Gina with WTI, and I'm sure that you would agree that it is never too soon to start taking care of your skin. As a woman in my mid 40s, this is really important to me, and I am already so impressed by the results that I've seen by using this Gold Diamond anti-aging cream from CHANDO Himalaya. So I've definitely seen a lot of changes in my skin as I've gotten into my 40s, and what I've seen from using this on a consistent basis is that my skin is already getting firmer, and I noticed that just within a few days of using it daily. I like to apply it using gua sha techniques, upward strokes to really help to defy gravity with the use of it. I've seen that this cream really helps my skin to stay looking dewy, bright, and hydrated. I've noticed it's also helped to soften my fine lines and wrinkles. I don't generally wear foundation when I put makeup on, and having my skin look so healthy because of this cream is such a nice bonus. That means that I can keep a natural look without having to put a lot of makeup on. This comes in a beautiful container with a spatula to apply, or you can just simply use your fingers. I know that with consistent use, I'm going to continue to see improvement in my skin, and that just makes me so happy. I think you're going to love it too, but that's just my point of view.